I love leaves and I love grasses and I love script and calligraphy. And so I love starting some of my paintings off with just a flow of lines. This is actually using just water-soluble charcoal. And I love the wispiness it creates and how soft it feels on the paper. It's a very sensual experience. I think my art is almost as much as important the feel of it to me, the experience I physically have applying paint or texture or lines, as it is using color or paint. It just mesmerizes me and surprises me every time.